So uninsured motorist coverage in Florida is one of the most important auto insurance coverages you can have. That's because Florida is one of only 2 states in the entire country that doesn't require mandatory bodily injury liability coverage. Let me tell you what bodily injury or BI liability coverage is. That's the coverage the other person would have if they caused the accident and they ran into you and you get injured. Normally, you'd make the claim against their liability coverage. But because in Florida, liability coverage isn't actually required, we have a lot of drivers that don't carry it. In fact, about 20% of Florida drivers don't have liability coverage. That's where uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist coverage would come into effect. If you're hit by somebody that doesn't carry liability coverage, you would then have to use your own uninsured motorist or coverage to pay your claim. And if you don't have coverage and you come to an attorney and you've been injured and you have damages and the other person doesn't have insurance, there's usually very little that we can do to get your claim paid. So I always recommend buy as much uninsured motorist coverage as you can afford.